Imagine seeing every Office PC live on one screen, like a security wall of monitors. So as a business owner, you don't need IT skills to get this kind of overview. I'll show you how to connect multiple company computers and watch them in a live grid view. This is perfect for offices, call centers, agencies, anywhere with many computers in the office. So let's switch over to the Wolfeye dashboard. Before we continue, please make sure that you're allowed to use this kind of software. To do this in your country for your use case, and take legal advice. We do not give legal advice. This is a poor technical video. Okay, how does it work? If you wanted to see every Office PC live on one screen, you have to install on each of the computers that you would like to see the live screen on a small piece of software that is called Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah, you can download it from wolfeye.co here, wolfeye.co. Okay, and if you install it, you will receive a link to your dashboard like this one. Okay, this is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is here displayed. So you log into your dashboard, and what you will see is for each of the computers that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen on, you will see the live computer screen, like you see here. So again, this is the demo dashboard so that you see dummy pictures here, but in reality, you will see the live screen of these particular computers. Live screen means it's like a screenshot every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have this lag of 2 to 3 seconds, but you will see it. Okay, and this dashboard, this live screen grid, how I call it, you can change it to 2 columns so you see bigger screens, or to 3 columns so you see more screens. And you can even take a closer look at one of these computers by hitting this live with the right mouse. Right mouse, open a new tab. Oh, wait, again, right mouse, open a new tab. And you see for that particular computer the live screen. Again, you here see a dummy picture because it's not only the demo and you can access it by yourself. And finally, if you wanted to check what has been done throughout the day, you can enable screenshot history, and you access it by right mouse click on this history link. Right mouse, open new tab, and these are dummy pictures, but in reality you will see screenshots made every 5 minutes. A screenshot is taken so you can check what has been done throughout the day. So that's how it works. So if you would like to install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your computer, come to wolfeye.co and hit this 14 days free trial button. And here you can book a demo session with me. A demo session. We will use Google Meet for that. You select a date and a time to make sure, because we probably are in different time zones. And in this demo session, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer. And what I will do is I will give you access to my dashboard. So you will see my live screens. Yeah, you will see my live screens. And in the next step, if you like it, I can guide you through the installation process so you can try it. You can install it on 1 or 2 computers that will allow you to install it on your remaining computers by yourself, because it's very easy and very fast. It's very easy because I show it here. Yeah. I will give you the download link, and this is the file that you will download after I send it to you in this demo session, and I will guide you through installation. But basically you run it and the installation wizard opens. You hit install and it installs. Then you hit finish and the control window of Wolfeye appears. And the last step is you must just click 2 buttons. The first button does the sharing. It's the green button that says share screen. You hit it, it turns red, it's already sharing the screen. But now you must hide it. You hit this stealth mode button to hide the software. You hit it, it hides, but continues to run in the background, and even in Task Manager. Every time Windows is restarted, the system is restarted, it starts in the background without the user noticing anything. And by the way, the installation passes under C, users, public documents, and here the software Wolfeye creates a W folder. Yeah, this is the application as you see. So come to the website, book a live demo session with me, and I will be very happy to guide you through installation and make this quick demo session for you with me. So yeah, see you in the next video.